Umvelase takes Sphamandla away from this world. Does this mean ukuthi ke i-character kaSphamandla bayibulele kumkhokha noma usohambeni kanye nomvelase umfundisa indaba zenkolo? Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 1st to the 5th of January 2024 on Monday. The council gets the shock of their lives. Spas staying in the mountain cool herald a dark cloud. Kulegani's attitude shocks Nomkhosi. Mazungu and Nokubonga find a closure on Tuesday. The Mthembus are nervous about whether or not Sphamandla will return from the mountain. The Kumedes live separate lives under one roof on Wednesday. The Mapalalas are dealing with an uninvited and unwelcome guest. Mabusi learns about Mthembu case and realize on Thursday. Fear and hope will run side by side when Sphamandla doesn't come down from the mountain on Friday. Kulegani does the unthinkable. Mabusi's life is turned upside down. Mthembu takes Sphamandla away from this world. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.